You can build a website in minutes without knowing any code and without spending thousands of dollars on a developer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how with 4 of the best AI website builders out there. For complete beginners, I'll walk through no-code options that make it simple and fast. If you're slightly more advanced and want to tweak every detail of your website, I'll cover low-code tools that give you power without confusion. Let's start with AI Website Builder 1. First up is Wix AI Website Builder, a simple tool that's perfect if you want a website without any coding as a beginner. Open your browser and head to wix.com. Look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click it. You need to sign up, so type in your email address and pick a password you'll remember. This takes about 30 seconds. Once you're logged in, select who the website is for. In this case, I'll say myself. Start a chat, and now you can tell the AI what you want to create. In the text box that pops up, type something straightforward like photography portfolio. Click the next button below that. Then it will ask for your business name. I'll type in something like Kelly's Photos to keep it personal and clear. Click next again. Now, you'll be asked for the target audience. In this case, we can say something like potential clients looking for photography services. Now, I'll be asked if I have any additional goals for my website. I can just say booking photography sessions and showcasing my work. You get the idea. The AI keeps asking me questions to build up this profile that you can see on the right. I recommend answering all of the questions in as much detail as possible to get the best result for your website. Once this is done and it says you're all set, click on Go to Dashboard. Again, fill out as much information as you can here. You can also buy or connect a domain at this stage. Then click on Design Site in the top right corner and then click on Generate a Design with AI. Wix will take all of the information that you gave earlier and generate a website for you. It will explain what exactly it's doing while it's doing it, which is great to see because you can understand the AI's reasoning. Now, you can see the site that was generated, which is pretty impressive. Click on Continue with this design and then continue to the editor. Wix will add some more features and finishing touches. Now, you can easily make any edits that you want to. For example, you can select a text box and then change the text. You can click on Add Elements and add another text section or an image. You can also click on Add Section and add a whole other section, like a welcome message or promotion. It's also easy to add more pages and change things like the font and colors. All you have to do is spend a little time playing around with this, and you'll have a complete website ready to publish by the end. Wix is super helpful, and they give clear prompts and information along the way. AI Website Builder 2. Now, let's move to Framer AI, a no-code option that blends AI with hands-on editing. Open your browser and go to framer.com. You'll see a button that says Start for free. Click that button. Sign up by typing your email and setting a password. Then check your inbox for a confirmation link and click it. Once you're logged in, you're on the dashboard. Look for a button that says New Project and click it. Here, you can easily add pages, sections, text, and so on. On the right, under Welcome to Framer, you can watch a tutorial to learn exactly how to use this. Most of it is just drag and drop. I love that you can easily create a website on here from scratch, but there are also options to use templates. Click on Browse next to try a template. Now you'll be taken to a marketplace where you can buy templates or download free ones. I'll download this Lando template for free. Just open it up and then copy it. You can easily tweak this template and then publish your design. But let's look at the AI features specifically that Framer offers. The main AI features have to do with translation and the actual text content on your website. Let's go back to our Lando template to test the translation feature. Click on this little globe icon that says localization. I'm going to type in French and France. Under AI style, I'll fill out this text box with translate content with a friendly, professional tone targeted at potential photography clients. Click done, then add. Now, French will show up under locales. You'll see a list of all the phrases on the website. You can pick one of these phrases and then click translate with AI. Just like that, the phrase will be translated. You can do this for all of the sections individually. If you have a lot of content to be translated, especially in the form of blog posts and articles, you can click on the 3 dots next to French under locales, and then click on Translate All. You would need a paid plan for this though. Once you're happy with the translations, you can go ahead and publish your website in an entirely different language, which is very impressive. If you're trying to create different versions of your website to reach an international audience, Framer is one of the best tools on this list to get you there. AI Website Builder 3. Next is Webflow, a low-code tool that gives you more control over design with some AI features to help along the way. Go to webflow.com in your browser. At the top, there's a button that says Get Started, it's free. Click it. Sign up with your email and verify it with the link they send. Then answer some questions Webflow will ask about you and your purpose. Now, you can choose to make a website from blank or from a template. Either way, I recommend watching the tutorial first to get comfortable with everything. I'll choose the option to start from a template. You can just scroll through these and pick the one you like. I'll pick the Portfolio Starter template, name your site, and then get started with tweaking the template. Webflow will guide you through the process with a little checklist here that will remind you to change the colors, fonts, text, images, and so on. This is a great guide, which I think is especially useful for beginners. The most helpful AI tool that Webflow offers at the moment is their Learning Assistant, which you can bring up by clicking on this question mark icon in the bottom left here. Let's say you're not sure what to write on your website. I can say something like, I'm a freelance photographer based in New York. My style is quirky and fun. This website should show off my work and attract clients to get in touch with me and book a session with me. What can I say in my headline that's short and easy to understand? The AI assistant will give some options, and you can go back and forth for every single aspect of your website. I can also ask, based on what I want from my website, tell me everything that I should include. This takes away the headache of having to brainstorm everything yourself. And if you ever need to know how to actually build out a feature, you can ask the assistant, which will direct you to tutorials and resources. For example, I can say, how can I create, customize, and add a contact form to my website? And the AI assistant will help me out. What I love about this is that you can learn how to build a website from scratch slowly at your own pace with the AI assistant, which is an incredibly valuable skill to have. AI Website Builder 4. Now, we've got to talk about Durable, a no-code tool that is one of the fastest and easiest options on this list. Open your browser and go to durable.co. On the homepage, there's a button that says Generate Website. Click it. It asks what type of business you're building. I could say something like personal training. Next, pick the location of your business, like New York City. Then enter the name of your business. I'll put Fit Fathers. Now, click on Generate Website. Give the AI a few moments and it will create your website for you. At this point, you can sign up for an account and take advantage of the 7-day free trial they have. When I look at the website Durable created, I'm honestly super impressed. The images look very real, and they understood the context behind the name Fit Fathers and talked about dads in the website copy. There are, of course, some areas that I'll have to personalize, but overall, everything is here. There's a great headline, a call to action button, more detailed information, an About Us section, prices, testimonials, and contact information. Now, all I have to do is click on Customize, easily make adjustments, and I'll have a website that's ready to publish. Durable is definitely the quickest and easiest website builder tool on this list. Which brings me to the question, which of these AI website builders is best for you? Wix's AI website builder is great if you're starting out and want it easy, perfect for portfolios or small businesses. Framer AI works if you like AI help but want to edit more, which is good for freelancers or creatives. Webflow is ideal if you want full control and is great for unique business sites. Durable is all about speed, and I think it's best for anyone needing a quick online presence. You can try all of these tools yourself for free, so I recommend giving them all a shot before making any commitment. Which of these AI website builders have you used before or are you thinking of using? Are there any other AI website builders that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.